Today, I'll show you how to take two pictures in BeReal. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In BeReal, the app is designed to capture two photos in one post by using both your front camera and your back camera. BeReal's official help center says a BeReal uses front and back cameras to capture your surroundings, so the normal BeReal post already includes both pictures together. To get started, wait for the daily time to BeReal notification, then open the app. Once you're inside, get ready to take your BeReal. When you tap the shutter, BeReal captures your moment using both cameras, so one image shows you, and the other shows what's around you. That's the main BeReal format, and it's why each post looks like two pictures combined into one. Now, if the first attempt doesn't look good, BeReal does let you try again before posting. The official help center says you can retake your BeReal as many times as you want before posting, as long as you keep an eye on the timer. So if one of the two photos looks blurry or badly framed, you can retake it before you finally post. Here's something helpful to remember. A lot of people think they need to turn on a special option to get two pictures, but you usually don't. BeReal already does that automatically as part of the normal post. The whole idea is that one camera captures your face while the other captures your environment at the same time, or almost the same moment, depending on how the app processes it. If your goal is to get two selfies or two different looking pictures, that's a little different. BeReal's official help doesn't describe a built-in special mode for that. The official setup is still front plus back camera for one BeReal post. So, in simple terms, open BeReal when the notification appears, tap the shutter button, and the app will automatically take the two pictures for you using both cameras. That's the normal way BeReal works. And that's how to take two pictures in BeReal. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.